Y'all. Quilting is so dangerous, you don't even know. As many of you may have seen throughout the last few months, I've made jokes about cutting and slicing, and I need to keep track of all the ways that I draw blood in my sewing room. But Monday of this week, let's see, I'm filming, today's Wednesday. Monday on this week, I using my trusty with a safety guard rotary blade. Y'all, there's evidence. Like, I don't even know. Can you see it? That right there. That would be tissue from my finger. I'm making a crumb quilt, and as I was cutting this piece off of my crumb quilt, I, not like this, but went over my finger. Y'all, I have four stitches in my hand. So love my rotary cutter, and this is yet another way to draw blood in the quilting room. My husband thought I was being dramatic. I'm like, I really think I need to go to the doctor. It won't stop bleeding. Like, it's bleeding a lot. I couldn't get it to stop bleeding. And he was like, you're fine. You're fine. It's good. It's good. And he was like eating his hamburger. And I'm like, no, babe, I think I really need to go. So I texted a couple people, and they were like, yeah, you might as well just go. You know, if you think there might be enough to warrant you getting stitches, like, just go get it checked out. And yeah, four stitches. It wouldn't, so guys, be careful with your rulers and rotary cutters. Can be very dangerous. It's a full contact sport, quilting is. Have a great week, y'all. Peace out. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe.